Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. My name is John Anaviolori. So thank you very much for checking out this video, especially if you are new to my channel. And so today I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go straight on what I have for you. So today I want to share with you how you can earn free $1,000 in the next 30 days or this month. Before this month runs out, you can make $1,000. Yes, it's very simple. You're not doing no affiliate marketing promotions, no affiliate marketing promotions, no running traffic, no paid traffic. It's very simple, and you don't have to actually do any kind of work. You just invite people, you tell people about the community, and then once they get in there, then you can work your way to $1,000. Now, how this work is very simple. There's a Facebook group that's going to pay you. Yes, they're going to pay you just inviting people to their group. Yes, just inviting people to their group. How this work is very simple. Let me just go in right away. So you can see there's this Facebook group. Right now there's a contest they are doing. There's a contest. They have a way they've programmed everything, that they can track everything for you. So all you need to just get your own link, your own affiliate link or referral link. So once you get your link, you can now begin to use that link to invite people inside this Facebook community, which I'll be sharing with you shortly. So you can see this is the current leaderboard. That is the contest prize. You can see those contesting for this cash prize. So you can see this is the first list of 100 persons on the leaderboard right now. So you can see 100 people right now are jostling to get this 1K prize, and you can see the first person goes with $1,000, second person $500, third position $300, fourth position $200, the fifth position $100, the sixth position $80, seventh position $60, the eighth position goes with $40, the ninth position goes with $20, and then you can see 100 clicks for the 10th person. What this 100 clicks means is very simple. If you have a product you are promoting as an affiliate, you can actually you can take advantage of this 100 clicks, and they're going to send 100 clicks to your affiliate promotions, and then you might get leads or you might get sales. The best thing to do is to use it to get leads to your offer. So now let me go in on how you can get in this system and make as much as $1,000 just inviting people to join this community. So that's what I'm going to share with you inside this video. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just you click on the link under this video. Yes, click on the link under this video. When you click on that link, it's going to direct you to my Facebook group. Yes, this is my Facebook group where I give support to my members and how I share, where I share stuff relating to earning online monthly income, and this can help you make $1,000 every single month. So there's a link under this video. Click on that link. It's going to direct you to this Facebook group. You can see I just 20 new approvals recently. So click on that link. Once you click on the link, you're going to see a post right here. Yeah, you're going to see a post that is how you can get access to this Facebook group. So there's going to be a post. I don't know where it is. All right, so it's going to bring you right to this group right here. Once you click on the link under this video, it's going to bring you to my group. So you just scroll down. You're going to see this particular post. So this is the post where it's important notice. I'm going to okay, let me make it as an announcement now. So I'm going to mark it as an announcement. So now you're going to see this post at the top of the inside the group. So what you need to do, just go to the first comments and then click on this link. Yeah, once you click on this link, now you'll be able to access this free PDF guide I've compiled for you on how you can join this not my group, how you can join this particular group where you can make $1,000 every single month. Yes, so once this is where I'm going to direct you. Clicking on this link will direct you to the page here. This is the PDF guide now, how to earn free $1,000 in the next 30 days. Now you can be doing this over and over and over again. So here you get a link to the Facebook group right here. So if you haven't joined the free training group, you need to do that first. So this is the link where you have to go. You have to click on the link. You have to read everything inside the this guide. It's not long, it's a very short guide, and then you will discover what you need to do to start to get access to this special Facebook group, and how you can join the contest within the very shortest time. Actually, once you join the group, there are over 30 to 40 training videos on affiliate marketing, list building, traffic generation, a lot of things to help you, all for free, and even how to get $80 in ad money spent that you can use to run ads. But then I've made everything very simple for you inside this ebook. You just need to go straight and then watch the videos to get your own referral link or your own affiliate link, and then you can start promoting this group just as I'm doing, and then you get people inside that group. So inside the group, so it's very simple. So you can see, so once you get your link, you'll be able to log into your own affiliate members area, and then you get your own link as well. So you can see this is you can see for September leaderboard, the leaderboard for September 2020. You can see this is Jeremy Off on currently on first prize with $1,000, and then Gideon on second prize, Andrew third prize, Mandy fourth, fifth, and then you can see on and on. Right now I'm just beginning my own referral, trying to invite people right now. I'm not yet on the leaderboard. Yes, I'm not yet on the leaderboard. So very soon, hopefully, if you can actually be ahead of me if you start right now. So I'm just starting today, which is on 20th of September, and hopefully before the end of the month I should be on the leaderboard, or probably find my way on the first 10 winning something prize, and hopefully maybe I can actually go and then claim the first prize. So let's see how that goes. So that's very simple to do. You can make $1,000 over and over and over again, just inviting people to a Facebook group. Yes, so to get that Facebook group, all you need to do, check on this description under this video, click on that link. It's going to direct you to my Facebook group right here. Join the group. And then once you join the group, it's very simple. Click on this, go to the first comments under this post. Yes, then you're going to get the link to this, the link to the PDF guide I've made for you, which is very simple for you to get started. So once you head over there, you pick up the guide, then you can see, just read the guide through, scan through, and then read. Once you read, you can see everything is very simple. It's very simple, and then you can go ahead and join the contest and maybe probably win something. So that's how you can go about it. You don't need to pay any money for this, and you'll be getting free affiliate marketing training inside this community. You'll be getting $80 for free to spend on advertising, and then a chance to win $1,000 or $500 or any amount you think you can make before the month runs out. And the best thing is, this is running month after month. They started this contest in July, they did in August, and now you can see September. You can see $1,000 just for free, just inviting people right there. Okay, there's something I'm almost missing out right there. Once you invite one person, for each member you invite here, that member is going to fetch you 5 points. So imagine you invite 200 persons, you'll be getting 1,000 points. You can see, so this guy has done about 200 members plus. He has invited 200 members to this group, and that's why it's having over having 1343 points. So, and it's just $1,000. So I think anyone can actually get started and beat these guys off the leaderboard chart. So it's something you can do. If you don't need to spend any money on this, just invite your friends everywhere, invite your enemies to this group, and you could just find yourself, walking away with something very adding some money to your bank account. So that's all for now, guys. If you have any question concerning this, you can leave a comment under this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check on the video section. You're going to find lots of value videos right inside there. And if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Facebook. Yes, this is my handle on Facebook, my profile name on Facebook. I'm going to drop a link to my Facebook profile. I'm going to drop it under this video, so you can connect with me on Facebook, John Anna Vilorere. So let's connect together. I share good stuff on Facebook. I share and see free stuffs on Facebook. So go ahead and let's connect on Facebook. And I really want to connect with you, and then let's know each other better. So that's all for now, guys. Don't forget, you can make $1,000 by before this month runs out. If you put this into action right away, or maybe next month, you can get started afresh and just you rock your boat and then crush the leaderboard right from day one. So it's very simple. Click on the link under this video to join my Facebook group. Once you join the Facebook group, look for this post, check the comment section, and pick up this free guide. Inside this guide, I've done everything. I've explained everything, how the system works, the group you're going to join, which is right here, and then now you can easily get your affiliate link, your own referral link. Normally, you should watch series of videos before you can get this link, but I've cut the process for you. Just go to specific places and then you grab your own link, and then you start promoting and inviting people to this group, and before you know it, in 2-3 days you can be on the leaderboard, and before the month ends you can be making $1,000 just inviting people inside the Facebook group I'll be revealing to you inside this guide. So that's all for now, guys. Don't forget, please subscribe to my channel for more ways to make real money online. I don't post BS. I don't waste my time making videos that won't make you real money and something that does not work. No, this will make you money if you act on it and you take action. So thank you for watching this video. My name is John Anavi Lore. I hope you're going to enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye bye.